This is the inside of the cassette player for a 280ZX factory Hitachi player, and let's say you've replaced all of the rubber bands and followed the different diagrams online, and it's working, but it keeps flipping, like continuously flipping to the other side every couple seconds. What I have narrowed this down to is the rubber band that's supposed to go between this big brass disc and the top of this little spindle right here, this one that goes right here. And this is the one where if it's off, either too loose, it will just fall off. And if it's too tight, it'll keep this from spinning properly, and that will cause the machine to flip. So it's this one is the key, as far as I have been able to ascertain, that determines whether or not your cassette player is going to play one side or keep flipping back and forth. So the size band you're going to want is one that can fit right over these two without stretching and creating a lot of tension, just so it won't fall off. So the one I'm going to use is about 1.5 inches in diameter, and it should spin pretty freely, and we'll see how this one works. All right, we've got the tape deck with the new size rubber band just reinstalled back in the car, kind of. I just connected the wires for the DIN connector and that blue cable coming out the back. And I put a blank tape in here so you don't have to listen to my music, but we'll just hit play and you'll see that it should not flip. And it's just going to run in one direction, so that means we know the rubber band works. If it flips, just try a slightly different size rubber band and until you find the right one. All right, good luck, everybody.